How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands and forearms step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Billenberg999. So first exercise that we're going to do is going to be curls. So we're going to go like this, finger curls, 6, 7, 8, keep going. This is a great exercise to do, you guys, really good one. So that's 20, we're gonna keep going. So that's 30, perfect, quick little break. Next exercise we're gonna do is gonna be for the forearms. It's gonna be forearm curls, so we're gonna get our hands like this. And you guys can see my forearms being worked when I do this. So that's 10, keep going. So that's 28, 29, 30, keep going. So that's 40, perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise is gonna be the claw stretch. So get your hands like this, squeeze really tight, and hold this for about 20 seconds. Again, when doing this, very important to squeeze really tight with your fingers. Hold the squeeze, and then just sit like this and hold this the whole time. You should be squeezing really hard. You can see my fingers shake sometimes because I'm squeezing so hard, you guys. Keep squeezing. We'll go for another 5 seconds. So keep squeezing, keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise we're gonna do is hammer curls. This is for the forearms. You can see my forearms being worked as I do this. This is a great exercise. 10, 11. That's 20, keep going. That's 30, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna finish with some finger extensions. Great exercise to do. It's 10, keep going. It's 20. It's 30. That's 40, keep going. That's 50, you guys, perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.